All right. Hey, man. Good morning or good afternoon.
Hello, Taha, can you hear me?
Yep. Can you give me 1 second, Ahmed?
Okay, no problem.
Thank you, sir. I guess I must have lost it. That's okay. Hey, how are you?
Yes, I am good. Thank you for asking me. And you, Taha?
Doing pretty well. Thanks for taking the time.
Problem, it's my responsibility. Okay, Taha, are you ready? Can we start?
Let's do it.
Okay, so thank you. Yeah. Okay, thank you for reaching out to me. So can you explain about how can I help you?
Sure. So to put it simply, for a bit of context, I have a business where I help people start an AI business, right? Where you help businesses integrate ChatGPT into their operations to either help them make more money or save time, right? Pretty simple. Now, what I need help with is keeping track of all these people. Because right now, a lot of it is in my head, and I don't believe people are getting the results that they need to be getting because I don't have a way for them to track what people are doing. And I also believe that by not having a tracking system, it's unclear what they should do next. So the objective here, sort of twofold. On one side, I want hyper clarity on how everybody's performing, right? To see, okay, how many calls did this person make? How much money did this person make? What are they doing, etc. On the other
Mhm.
side, from the customer's perspective, I want it to be super clear what they should do next, and for them to have some sort of dashboard, some sort of visual that they can look at to see the product. Because right now, it's a lot of it happening through calls. I'm wasting a bunch of time, and it's very difficult for me to share important information. Like stuff is getting lost. Where do I find the sheet? Where do I find that, etc.
Mhm. Okay, Taha, do you want to set up everything your AI automation business is information about your client and your company in Notion template?
It's then, yeah. So it's like for myself, I need a dashboard. I need my customers to have something to look at for the. So think of it like I need to see everybody, and people need to see only themselves.
Maybe you need to two dashboard, one for your team and you, and second for customers.
Correct.
Okay. Okay, Taha, I understand your point. So I am using Notion last 4 years and build 300 plus template for my client. So I am confident I can deliver that you're expecting. So better way is if you send me all information about dashboard name, databases, your company's information, your client information in Google Docs. Yeah, that will be helping me to set up and organize your whole business in Notion template.
Okay. So
Yes.
talk to me more about what can Notion do, or tell me specifically like what can't it do? Like, because obviously I don't use Notion very much. I've tried it a few times, but it's pretty difficult to set up, which is why we're having this conversation. So, talk to me more about not how it works, but first of all, is what I'm trying to do feasible to do on Notion? And what can it do? What can't it do would be also good to know.
Mhm. Yeah, already you have some information about Notion, but you are basic, you are not expert in Notion, so then you feel a bit massive of this, but it is more easy to use of other CRM tool, and we can manage everything. First of all, we build a main dashboard. So inside dashboard, then we set up the pages, inside pages, then we set up the database, then set up the filters. Sometime we set up the automation, link database, status structure, and so more. And after the even when I set up your businesses in Notion, then I will record a briefly video and share with you how I am set up this, and this is a procedure of working that will be easy to use.
Got it. Could you
Yeah.
show, I don't know if you have something on hand, but like, what could this look like? Do you have something you could show me? Like these are some of the things that I've built.
Yeah, definitely. I'm going to share my screen and
Please.
I will show you multiple template that I have built.
Sure.
Thank you. Can you see my screen?
It's loading.
Mhm.
Yeah, I got you now.
Okay. By the way, Notion template depend on client need. So I have set up this according to this client need. Like I have set up this property portfolio manager in Notion. So first of all, here is the purpose of this template. Then here is the all properties data, like these all pages, all properties, task, reminder, workflow for me. And here is the quick action, like I have built here button like a new task, new property. When I click here, so new task automatically will be create. Like here, I just need to put information. Then like this is complete, not complete, due date, property, a related property, summary data. Here I have built formulas according to need, then a note section. And if I open this one page, like this is all, first of all, I am going to share overall dashboard overview. Then I will try to explain each section of template. So like here is the summary of according to client information, then property Kanban, then cash flow summary system. So if I open this property data, so here I have set up this database, like property name, title, address, city areas, purchasing system, currently managing, and so more. By the way, this is real estate related, so I should to try to show you according to your need. Here is the multiple. By the way, at the end of this meeting, I will send you my portfolio link, so you will briefly can check out template structure, design, and so on.
Got
HR, yeah. Like this is HR system. So here is the home page. Here is the welcome like message. Here's the navigation section. These are, so when I click here, so these are quick links will be here, like candidate data will be show here, hiring SOPs will be show here, hiring pipeline, talent pool, rejected application, and email template, hiring spreadsheet, stages, etc. And then this is the use of template, like I will try to send instruction of each template, like how this is system working. So when you send someone, so he can easily understand their structure when they read this structure, this information. So if I open someone candidate section, so in candidate section here, like a candidate data will be shown here. Like this is the first one, Alice, then Smith, and so more. If I open this one, so here I have put according to client instruction, like first of all name, then email, note section, phone number, position like marketing, UX designer, data analytics, content writer, something. Then here he can upload their resume, then source, like where they find this freelancer or person, LinkedIn, referral, Indeed. Even we can add more Fiverr, Upwork, and other social media. Then here's the stages of like application, funnel review, talent pool, rejected stages. Even in the backend, we can set up the automation, like if when I select this funnel interview, so this person, this guy information will be automatically transferred in funnel interview section. And then here is, yeah, then is the test result. So this is overview of template. If I open this one, care coordination. So here is the like a navigation home section, like a navigation section, medical appointment tracker, data will be here, therapy, medication, wins, emergency. If I add something urgently, I just need to click here, add today wins appointment and so more. Upcoming appointment will be here. In the backend, I have set up the formulas, rules, condition, and so more. Then recent session will be show here. Then daily checklist will be show here. Maintenance need will be show here. This month will be show here, and so more. Even have a multiple like template. So if I am going to review everything, it takes much time. So yeah, I am confident I can deliver after the end of this meeting. I will watch again our meeting, and you can send me your instruction further, like your company name, dashboard name, further information. And second, you will invite me in your Notion workspace, then I will set up everything. Okay, Taha?
Gosh, okay, okay.
Yes. Even if you have any further question, any confusion, so you can share with me.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get a feel for what can be done with Notion. Okay.
Taha, you are a newbies on Notion, so maybe you feel this is massive overwhelming, but not like it is smoothly working. When I set up the everything, and I will provide you video instruction and a text message like how this is set up working.
Oh
Then
no, that's not necessarily where I was. I was more thinking. No, I mean, I know Notion's a big company. It's not like I know it's not gonna break. What I was thinking was, how do I give you the right instruction? Because like I don't know what I don't know. So for example, I saw a video where somebody had a future like a predictor of revenue, which I thought was a super cool idea, right? Because you could take, let's say, the last week and see how much somebody has done, and then you could use it as a predictor for how well they're going to do next week. So it's these sorts of things that I don't think of, which is why I asked, like, what have you done, or show me some templates so I can get my mind running on what can we do with this technology. Not necessarily, I'm less concerned with will it work. I'm just trying to see how far can I push it, like how good can I make it, so that the goal is somebody comes in, they sign up, and then everything is super clear for them on Notion. Also, well, here's the question for you. So how would this work? Let's say somebody signs up for the program, and like, how do I invite them to Notion? Like, you know what I mean? Like, does everybody have their own specific page, or what does that look like?
yeah, I'm going to share my screen again and show you how you can invite specific page and something. Unfortunately, at this time, like Notion don't allow to login access something. So if I open some page, like if I open this control panel, so this is like complete dashboard. Okay, if I want to give access to someone with full like this template, so I just need to go here in this like share section, and I will put here like their email, and then I will invite him as like full access and limited access waivers and so more. This is the way of send full access of Notion template. If I want like give him specific like access of one page or something, like if I want to give him like just this access, this one, like get fit strong. So I will open this page, and I will go in here, like share section. I will put their email. Like here, I will put their email and I will send him invite. So he will receive invitation and he will be able to just view and edit this page, not on full Notion template. Okay, Ta?
Makes sense. Okay, cool.
Yes. So further, Taha, you can send me instruction in Google Docs according to your thought, like what you want, what you should do, go on Notion. So everything is possible. We just need to set up.
Yeah. Okay, will do. Thank you, Ahmed.
Y- Yes, okay, no problem, Taha. Thank you and nice to talk to you. Take care. By the way, I am going to deliver this our consultation. So leave a positive feedback that help my profile.
Oh, yes, it's true. This is a consult. Let me see. Did I have any other questions? If are there any alternatives to Notion?
Can you repeat again, Taha?
Are there any alternatives to Notion? Like Notion is one of them, right? But like, what are the alternatives?
What is the alternative of Notion?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah, ClickUp, Monday.com. Yeah, these are maybe two tools that are similar working
You
Notion.
said Monday.com?
Yeah, Monday.com and ClickUp. But mostly, I have observed mostly US company going to transfer their data from ClickUp to Notion because Notion launch a new AI tool that help companies like save a time, etc.
I got you.
Yeah, even you can research about ClickUp and Monday.com, then you can finalize which tool is better for your company. But I suggest you Notion is better. Mostly huge company using this tool.
Got you.
Yeah. Okay, Ta.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Ahmed.
Okay.
I'll talk
Yeah,
to you
most
soon.
welcome and nice to talk to you. Take care. Bye bye.